2019 Toyota Tundra 1794 edition. Really beautiful truck. It had a TRD system on it. He hated it. It was way too quiet for him. So what we did, we'll show you in a minute. There's the catalytic converters, two of them. One here, one there, and right there. So it comes with a total of 4. Then it comes factory with true duals, as you guys can see, but it goes usually into a single in muffler, single out, dual in, single out, sorry. So we cut that off and put you guys a FLOWMASTER Super 10, dual in, dual out, part number 8425154. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then we used his TRD factory tailpipes that came with it, there and there. And his factory tips, as you guys can see right there, the oval tips. There. And there. Anyways, there's the TRD system. It's a really big system. You guys can see it's huge. Look at my hand. It's bigger, it's like 3 handfuls. And it's a dual system. So we cut that off. That looks a lot better, a lot nicer, and we'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's a lot nicer in tone. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. Oh yeah, much better. You can barely hear it before. I should have done it before. There it is. There's sound decibels. Right at 111, so probably 112. Go ahead and back it up. What do you guys think of this beautiful setup? FLOWMASTER Super 10. Let you guys hear on the inside.